So the question is, how good is the Chinese food on the Norwegian Getaway compared to the Chinese food that I'm used to in New York City, Chinatown? What I did, we're gonna order a lot of the classic dishes, and then we'll try to taste them, see how they compare to what we have back in New York City. It'll be very interesting to see that. Okay, here's the menu. We're gonna get some of the classic Chinese dishes, I think, here. So we'll get some glass noodles, combination fried rice, and a panda salad. So they're cooking right in front of us, which is kind of nice. Okay, this vegetable dumplings, let's try it. Nice and crunchy. Wow. It's really good. Hit the spot. Tasty. Try one more. Try the other sauce here. It's more like a sweet sour sauce. Okay, here's the roast pork noodle soup. The pork, some vegetables, some noodles. So let's dig into this. First thing I do is want to taste the broth. Fine, this broth is a little salty, but it's good. Okay, try the noodles. Okay, these noodles are very firm. Nice flavor to it. Here's the roast pork. So overall, it tastes different than what I expected, but it was good. It's different, but not in a bad way, just different. Okay, this is the combination fried rice. Right off the bat, I do see shrimp in this, so I gotta be careful not to eat that. But you see peas here, here's some beef, there's pork in here, some scallion, so let's dig into this. So avoid the shrimp. Nice flavor to it. They call it combination fried rice, but it's like yan chow fried rice basically. So nice flavor. When I bite into it, I see the peas, I taste the scallions, the meat a little bit, so really overall very tasty. It's good. As you know, I'm a big fan of Singapore Chow Mei Fun. I like trying at different places. This is the first time I've ever tried it on a cruise ship, so let's see how it looks. See the egg, bean sprouts, some of the meat down here. And from what I can tell, the coating looks pretty blended in, so this should be pretty good. So let's dig into it. Okay, this is different than one I've tasted before, but there's a very nice light texture to it. This has a very interesting spicy taste to it, so it's different, but it's good. Parts of the noodles are a little spicy and crunchy, so it's good. I like digging into taste the carrots, the peppers. It's actually really good, so I'm enjoying it. Wow. I wasn't expecting this from a cruise ship, but this is actually really good. I'm enjoying it. Okay, this is the beef lo mein dish here. Here's the noodles. See some of the beef. See scallions. Let's dig into it. It's interesting, the noodles have a bit of a sweet flavor to it. It's really good. The beef tastes good. Again, it tastes very different than what I'm used to, but it's pretty good. Really nice. And it's not too greasy. Okay, this dish is the glass noodles with chicken on it. You know, right off the bat, when I look at these noodles, it's not the glass noodles I'm thinking about. This is almost like the kind of noodles you have in Chow Mei Fun versus glass noodles. But you know what? Let's taste it. Again, definitely, it's not the kind of glass noodles I'm thinking about. Again, it's more like a Chow Mei Fun type noodle, but it's good, nice flavor to it. There's shredded chicken. Not bad. Mushrooms. Taste the broth. Again, I was expecting more glass noodles, but this is pretty good, so can't complain. So the food at Shanghai was actually really good. I wasn't sure what to expect from Chinese food from a cruise ship, but overall it was very tasty. The dishes in general are a little different than what I would expect from Chinatown, but different is not necessarily a bad thing. I would say a special shout out to the Singapore Chow Mei Fun. It was very different, but it was well blended, a nice crunch to it, and overall more of a sweet taste to it than anything else, but overall I enjoyed it very much. In any event, great job, Norwegian Getaway.